My presentation. Some will load my drone and try to move it to see if it's heavy. But let me tell you, the most important aspect of my drone is not its weight or its size, but the payload. When I say payload, it is the sensor that it can carry. It can be a high resolution optical camera or a thermal scanner or a LiDAR sensor. This scanner captures data which we process and deliver a variety of outputs. The output we deliver are disrupting a number of industries. And I am here to help you understand what outputs we can deliver and what information they provide. So let's begin. I will be walking you through each of these outputs. So let's start. Orthomosaic. Now this is not just a pretty picture. It is a 2D model of the entire campus of Don Bosco College of Engineering, covering more than 45,000 square meters of area and at a very high resolution. Let me tell you. As you can see here, let me zoom in and you can literally count each saplings that were just planted on the campus. And this scale will not change throughout the output. And you can see here, every inch is covered at high resolution. Now, when I say it's a scaled output, there are some benefits. We can not only measure dimensions in areas, not only of your property, we can measure your neighbor's property and also their neighbor's property without actually going on their property. And that is what we did over here. From a high resolution output of an area in Honda, we were able to generate a cadastral plan from this orthomosaic. This one is also at the same resolution which I showed you earlier. Moving ahead, whenever you hire a surveyor to survey your property, you get an output which is like this on a white paper. Now, if you want to make a better sense of this output, we can superimpose this on our orthomosaic, and that is what we did over here. And let me show you the results. So you can see here the road shown by the surveyor and the road that you can see on my orthomosaic, a perfect match. Let me take you a little bit ahead here. You can see the electric pole shown by the surveyor and the electric pole you can see on my orthomosaic. Now let me tell you friends, by just having two good reference points on the plan and on my orthomosaic, I can tell you the precise coordinates of any of the corners in your property. That means effectively I can give you the coordinates, latitude, longitude, and you can send a surveyor to mark the point on the ground. That is possible with this technology. And you can see here, the boundary shown by the surveyor and the boundary of the compound, perfect overlap. That is what this is about. Let's move ahead. Now this is a 3D model of a construction site. Now I have not created this. I have just gone to the site and scanned the site with my drone to prepare this output, which is representing the actual site. With the output like this, you can showcase your big properties to your clients, investors, and also get a complete understanding of what is present on your site. Moving ahead, we can also generate digital models. In this model, this is the surface model which shows elevation. The warmer colors are showing high elevation, and you can see buildings and trees on top are at a high elevation. Now, most of the time we are interested in the terrain. So we can create a terrain model by eliminating the buildings and trees. So this is the terrain model. From the terrain model, we can generate another output which is of very important, that is contours. These contours over here are generated at 1 meter interval. That is what is possible with this technology. Moving to the next output, this is a point cloud. Basically, it's an arrangement of points in space. Each point has a location and represents the ground. And what this output allows us to do is, it allows us to perform cut and fill analysis. Now, what is cut and fill analysis? Say there's a stockpile like this, okay? We can define a surface and I can precisely tell you how much quantity of material is above this surface. If there's a ditch, I can tell you how much material will be required to fill that ditch and level the ground. That is what is known by cut and fill analysis. And this output can be given through this model very precisely. Not only that, if there is a hill and you want to cut the hill at a certain elevation, I can tell you precisely what will be the area of the flat surface that will be generated when the hill is cut. So this kind of outputs analysis are possible with this output. Now my company also produces GIS maps wherein we collect geospatial data and present it in the form of maps. Here you can see a road network map of my village, Betalbadim. It could be a wireline network, it could be a pipeline network that we survey on the ground, and we have shown the assets present in the village in this map. This is a tribute map to Vienna Goa region. The circles show the location where the chapters meet and the size is proportional to the membership. And you can see the clear leader here is Matagram chapter. My ideal reference would be architects to whom I can provide a complete site awareness, builders construction company for whom I can do progress monitoring, mine owners for whom I do IPM related mandatory compliance surveys, earth moving earthworks company to whom I can provide a complete, a good estimate of how much material needs to be moved, property buyers, sellers for locational awareness, lawyers handling property disputes. Now, I will not go to the court, but I can tell the lawyer if he has a very strong case by telling him precisely if his opponent has got more than what he should have. That is possible without going on the property. And of course, I can generate these outputs for resorts who want to showcase their property to their clients, customers, and agencies working in the environment conservation management sector. So friends, I have two referrals, two testimonials. Recently, I had the opportunity to work with architect Francis Fernandez, and here's what he had to say.
We have very short time, so you can have one testimonial. Audio is not fixed.
I thought of trying out relevance growth survey. The survey took only 30 minutes to complete. Usually they will take 2 days by other planners. I also created an automation of the site and issued me JPEG and PDF comments, which I could easily import and work in my text software. The results were very accurate. There was actual photographic information of the site for my reference. He also provided me contour levels, and I did not have to use any other surveying methods to complete my project assignments. I was very much impressed by Melton services and could implement it for similar works. Thank you.
Thank you, Malcolm. A big round of applause to Malcolm. All those aerial photos for our sports utsav, so all those people who were amazed with all the aerial views of all our grounds, he was the one, so a big round of applause for him.
I would just like to conclude. For those of you who want to give drone technology a try, I have the perfect offer for you. I will survey 50,000 square meters of area for only ₹999. This offer will not repeat in history, so please book now. The offer ends on 28th February. Thank you.
Thank you, Malcolm. I think you already got some reference from this.